I want to show you how you can export your Procreate Dreams files with undo history. So first you want to be in the theater view. This is, at least at this time of recording, it's only available in the theater view. So you want to long hold the project that you want to export and then tap on share. Under share, tap on the third option, that is Procreate Dreams. Ta-da! The second option under Procreate Dreams is full undo history. So this will make your file pretty big, but as a bonus, you will be able to access the full undo history. So that's how you can share your Procreate Dreams files with the full undo history.